Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys, and thanks for joining in. So I got a really exciting matchup for you guys here tonight, and this should be a good one. So I got a brand new car on the channel right here. This right here is a 2021 BMW M3 Competition. This is a rear-wheel drive spec. Now he is on a upgraded single turbo. It's a 6870 with port injection and a full supporting mods. And the owner said it makes around a little over 900 horsepower to the wheels. It is still currently on the stock engine and stock transmission. So obviously its torque is lowered. Now he is running on Toyo R AAA tires. And he's been running up against a 2022 Porsche 911 Turbo S 992. Now this car has been on the channel several times. Now this one is modified, still on the stock turbos with the PDK tune. And he's making somewhere around, making between 700 and 800 horsepower to the wheels for sure. It hasn't been on a dyno jet, but I would say it's between 700 and 800 for sure. So this should be a really good race. They're going to be doing a 50 to 150, and both cars are going to be taking one passenger. Now I'm not going to be in any of these cars, unfortunately, but I'm going to get you all the angles that I can get for you guys. So let's see how it goes. Look close.